So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to remove a coupon code at checkout here on Etsy. So once Etsy's opened up, so for example, if you wanted to go ahead and buy these cups right here, I'll just go ahead and add these cups to my basket. So I'll just go ahead and press add to basket right here. And now you're on this screen. So once you're on the basket screen or the top right, you're on the basket screen. If you want to go ahead and proceed to checkout right here, so you can type in your payment method. You can also mark the gift as mark the item as a gift if you want. But before you press proceed to checkout, go ahead and press apply coupon code. So once you're here, you can go ahead and type in your code. So let's just say my coupon code was coupon code 2025. If that's your code for, let's just say, 25% off or whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and press on apply so that when you check out and proceed to check out, the discount code is already applied and you're not stuck ordering it without using it in the first place. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to apply a coupon code at checkout here on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.